I want to tell you something that has been on my mind for quite a while now. Something I've seen, read, and talked about so many times lately. It is about our forests in Indonesia and how fast they are disappearing because of illegal logging. Just last month, I came across a report that really stuck with me. It said that every single day we lose more and more of our forest land. Right here in Kalimantan, huge areas that used to be the thick with trees are completely bare. I saw photos of trees that were hundreds of years old, cut down just like that, left lying on the ground or taken away somewhere far. And this is not just happening here. It is the same story in Sumatra, in Sulawesi, and many other parts of our country. I also hear stories from people who live near those forests. They say that the river they have used for drinking water and fishing since they were children is now muddy and shallow. When the rain comes, floods happen more often because there are no more tree roots to hold the soil together. The weather feels hotter and the animals that used to live there, like orangutans and many kinds of birds, are not to be seen anymore. It feels so sad to hear all of that. What makes me think even more is how this keeps happening. We all know how important forests are. They give us clean air, keep our water safe, and our homes to so many living things. Yet every day we hear about the new place being cut down without any permission. It feels like many people only think about quick profit without caring about what will happen to our land or to the next generation like us. Sometimes I feel worried and even a little helpless. I'm just a student learning how to be a teacher, and I cannot stop big machines or change rules all by myself. But then I think, if I do not tell this story, if I stay quiet, then is it like letting all of that happen without saying a word? I might not be able to fix everything right away, right? But I can share what I know. I can tell my friends, my classmates, and one day my student about this.
Calling you to say